Create a striking first impressions. Shutters and siding accessories. Louver and panel shutter installation instructions. The shutters are suitable for use on a variety of surfaces, including wood, aluminum, vinyl, stucco, composite, or masonry. To begin installation, place the shutter next to the window and mark the desired location against the wall or window as shown. The shutters are fastened using your choice of either the included shutter lock fasteners or the included screws. Shutter locks require a 1/4 inch pilot hole. Screws require an 11/64 inch pilot hole. For shutter sizes up to 43 inches, use 4 fasteners per shutter. For shutter sizes 44 inches or greater, use 6 fasteners per shutter. To ensure proper alignment, mark and pre-drill holes into the shutter before attaching it to the wall. Position the shutter in location against the wall and drill through the shutter into the wall surface to a depth of 3¼ inches. If using shutter locks, tap the shutter lock gently with a hammer to tighten. If using screws, drive the screws so as not to overdrive or over-tighten. Is engineered for durability, ensuring a beautiful lasting impression.